Good morning, zebras. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, and how do you do? I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you very much. I'm fine, and how do you do? I hope you're all doing great. Let's sing another song. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Now, zebras, I know you know the song, so let's sing it together. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Yay! What other song can we sing? The ants went marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants went marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants went marching one by one, the little one stopped to suck his thumb. And they all fell down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Ants went marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants went marching two by two, hurrah, hurrah. The ants went marching two by two, the little one stopped to tie his shoe. And they all fell down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. And that's it. This song can be sung all the way to number 10, but I'm going to stop at number 2 because today we're going to learn how to draw the number 2. I'll show it to you right now. Last week we talked about the number 1. Now we move on to number 2. I want everyone to hold out 2 fingers only. Well done. Now this is what the number 2 looks like. Do you see that? I know you all know that this is the number 2. And I have my 2 shapes down here. The triangles. Let's count them. You never know. 1, 2. 2 triangles for the number 2. We're going to talk a little bit about the number 2 and then we're going to find out how to draw it. So, what can you tell me about the number 2? I want you all, later after watching the video, to go stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and tell me, what do you have that you have 2 of? I'll give you an example. We have 2 eyes. 1, 2. We have 2 ears. 1, 2. We have 2 cheeks. 1, 2. We have 2 shoulders. 1, 2. I'm not going to tell you everything. We have lots of things that come in 2s. So you need to go stand in front of a mirror, look at yourself, start at the top, move all the way down and count and name everything that you have that comes in 2s. Good job. Don't forget these. What are these? 2 hands. So let's learn how to write the number 2. Very easy. Get my chalk. Today I'm going to use pink. Do you see that? Pink chalk. It's such a tiny piece. So number 2 is very easy to write. I'm going to put a dot here. That's our starting dot. So you start on this side. You go up, round, down, like that, and then you go straight across. That is the number 2. Let's see if it looks like this one. It really does. Very easy. Now everyone, Arms in the air, fingers pointed out. I want to see your Peter pointer. Point it right here and follow the line. You go round, down, stop right there, and then straight across. Okay, let's make a big giant number 2 in the air. You go round, down, stop right there, and straight across. And that, my dear zebras, is how you draw the number 2. So easy. I want you to practice lots of number 2s. And the one place that you must do it is in your red book. Everyone has these. So I want you yourself to open the pages until you find this page. I'll show you. It's important to learn how to open a book and turn the pages. So first you will come to this page. Do you see the big number 2? Okay? I don't want you to do anything there because we're going to save this for something else. If you feel like coloring it, you can. That's okay. But what I really want you today, what I really want you to do today is find this page. Now mine, someone has scribbled on it, but don't worry about that. How many number 2s can you see here? Quite a few. Count them. And then I want you to take your pencil, hold it well. I'll show you, my pencil is right here. Hold it well. And I want you to join the dots and form the number 2 the way I showed you. So for this one, you start at the starting dot. You'll go up, round, down, and straight across. And you do it nice and slowly and finish all these number 2s, okay? Then if you're not so tired and you still have so much energy and you want to do some more work because you're a zebra, you can turn it around and there you'll find another page. Now this page has a big number 2 written here that you can color in, and there's some flowers. How many flowers do we see on this page? Let's count them. 1, 2. You can color in your 2 flowers, and if you still feel like doing some more work and learning more, right at the bottom there are lots of little number 2s, okay, that you're going to trace. And that, my darling zebras, is your number 2 work for today. Okay, go do it and enjoy yourself. Don't forget to stand in front of the mirror. Okay, bye zebras.